Why do we need to install wheel spacers with Hub-Centric? Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are common modifications for car motor lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. We recommend installing Land Rover Defender wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Land Rover Defender wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Land Rover Defender wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Land Rover Defender wheel spacers have multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with combat, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS means the installation more fitting and safer, and the BONOSS Land Rover Defender wheel spacers can also be adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and strength than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, BONOSS active cooling Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. They distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which manually enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So, if you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Land Rover Defender, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.